Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your June 2020 forecast for air signs Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yes, friends, this is a general reading for June for love, friends. So all three signs are here: Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Friends, please, Magic Winds Tarot, do subscribe our channel and do click the bell icon so you never miss a reading whenever they are posted. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. And join us on Instagram as Magic Winds Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwindstarot.com. Friends, you can watch this reading if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in air sign, or if you know an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, this reading is for you. We'll have a quick look at what June will bring for your love life for Aquarius. Let's see for Aquarius how the month of June will be for Aquarius. Let's see. If your sun, moon, rising is in Aquarius by any astrology, how the month will be for Aquarius. In love, especially, the Nine of Swords, the Hanged Man. You are frustrated, friends. Aquarius, you are frustrated, but oh my God, you don't need to be, because celebrations are coming your way. This is excellent, Aquarius. This is excellent news. Oh, this is beautiful. Yes, someone wants to work things out with you. Is this a new romance? I feel an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is coming. Yes, this is a new romance. Oh my God, congratulations, Aquarius. You should subscribe Magic Winds Tarot right now, because this is excellent. I see you are worried, Aquarius. You are very worried about something in your life, whether it is career, love life. I think it is your love life that's making you very worried. You are very anxious. You may be suffering from anxiety, depression, or someone in your life is suffering from it. Or maybe, Aquarius, you are single from a long time and it's frustrating you. It's like, why things are not moving forward in your love life, darling? Because the time is now. I know you are waiting. I know you had been waiting since a long time, Aquarius. But things are going to change. Your love life has been stagnant, but in June things will change. A new perspective is coming for you. You may surrender to God your love life, like, yeah, I don't know what is happening, I can't make any sense of it, so I give it to you, God. And that's exactly when things will shift for you, Aquarius. I feel someone is coming towards you, someone who is mature now, someone who is beautiful. It could be a new lover, it could be a past lover, someone you know returning back into your life with new maturity. But for others, I feel it is a new connection. This person is mature, this person is wise, and they have traveled the world, and they want to offer you or this world to you. It's not just their love, they are like, they want to offer you everything. This will bring a celebration into your life. June is definitely bringing a celebration. A birthday could be coming up, or this new romance will bring you some happy moments, some celebrations with friends or family. This is a very, very happy month for you. And I know right now, when you are feeling like this Nine of Swords, you will not be feeling like, oh, this won't happen, but it will, friends. Just let go of the worries, let them go. Say bye bye. I give it to God. I give all my worries and tensions to the universe. It will take care of it. And that's exactly what the universe will do. They are going to offer you happiness, they are going to offer you celebrations and love. Definitely, I feel an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is coming towards you, or someone who is very passionate, who is younger than you, or who is very young, very charming, very youthful, happy. This person is going to offer you love. They are very attractive. You may already know this person, or it may be a new person coming towards you. This person is ready. They are ready for a commitment. They are very wise, because you have the Two of Wands. This person is wise. They are mature. They will want a relationship with you. They want to work things out with you if you already know them, or they want to help you and support you. This is a equally mutually giving relationship. I feel this is a destined connection, but you will have a choice, like a past person or a new person. You may still want a past person, Aquarius, but this new person is also coming. So this is a fated connection. I feel this is destined, because you know, you give your worries to God and God has fixed it and brought this new person or this renewed love in your life. And look at this Ace of Wands. Absolutely a new beginning is coming for you, Aquarius, and for Aries, because there is this Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So yes, a new attraction, a new romance, a new potential, a new clarity, and celebrations are coming for you, Aquarius. This is beautiful. Let us quickly see. Oh my god, the crown chakra card went down. Let me just pick it up. Moving on. Wow, you are definitely letting go of past things, Aquarius. That's beautiful for you. Let go of the past. Cry your heart. Cry and wash away your tears. It's not worth it, because something beautiful awaits you. See, something is going to open up. Your love life is going to open up. You have been waiting for this. This is the Four of Wands. So definitely a new connection is coming towards you. This is your victory. This is what you deserve. And you also have the crown chakra. I can't pick it up right now. It's gone very far away. So I see God is guiding you. You look at here also. See, God is guiding you. God is with you in your love life. Things are going to open up. You need to just, I told you this. Thank you for confirming, angels. I'm telling you, you need to detach from things, why they are not working out, what is happening. You know, it is 11:11. So, you know, your wishes are coming true. 11:11, your wishes are coming true, Aquas. And yes, marriage, that beautiful connection you want, that hope you have, it will all happen. Just give it to God for now and stay peaceful and stay in the energy, like yes, good things are coming for me. Let's take one final message for Aquarius. Wow, the anxiety, never ending story. It is going to be over, friends. Things are going to shift for you. Rest assured. You're worried, Aquarius. You're worried. Why? No. See, the fate is with you. This is fated. No one can stop this thing. No one can. I also feel someone will share their feelings. If they are not telling you the truth or how much they love you, they are going to do that. Key successful outcomes to all your problems. One card for Aquarius. One final card for Aquarius. You got to see your lucky vulture. Depression, anxiety, worry that something is against you. Do not stay in this energy. People, you know, and career, wow. I think you should let go of worry and anxiety and focus on your career. That will be a good thing, Aquarius. Really a good thing. Because you know, this key is successful outcome is coming. That will help you to detach, and it will automatically make your love life, you know, new things are going to come. Wow, this is amazing. That's it for you, Aquarius, for right now. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you, and if you want to buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now. So let's see, let's just shuffle the cards and we'll start for Gemini. So Geminis, how are you feeling? Let's see how your June will be very, very quickly. Geminis, how your love life will be June 2020. Let's see that. Wow, I'm super excited. Are you? Wow, celebrations, the Knight of Pentacles, and the, let's see what else. Ooh, Justice, the Emperor. Wow, Geminis, congratulations. You are in Hierophant, Five of Cups. Oh my God, this is amazing. This is amazing. For Geminis, the Queen of Wands. Geminis, you are going to be in your power in the month of June 2020. Yes, you are going to attract a lot of attention towards you. I feel, you will feel very strong, very confident, very bold, and a lot of people and lot of attention will be on you. So all eyes are on you, Gemini. And I think you could be dealing with a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person this month, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person this month that is coming towards you. I feel there is like some sort of a disappointment that is happening. I would say someone is missing you, someone wants to reconnect with you, things didn't work out in the past, they are missing you, you also miss them. So there is that energy of missing, but this connection is moving very slowly for you. It could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and you are frustrated, or it could be a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So they could be egoistic, or they could be, if they are a Capricorn earth sign, they could be slow. If they are a fire sign, they might be in their ego and pride, so they are not coming towards you. But Gemini, oh my God. Geminis, you are going to get your justice done. Yes, yes. If this is like if someone was taking all their time and not telling you how much they love you, the justice is going to happen in this month for you. Either that person will share their love or their commitment, or how much they miss you, how much they love you. That is going to happen. Some sort of a victory, some sort of a celebration absolutely will happen for you, Geminis. And it is necessary for you, because I feel things have been slow, so slow, and so negatively, like, someone was not behaving right with you, Geminis. Could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. But justice will happen. Things will balance out. And you will feel like this emperor that, yes, finally things are going my way. I will also see that you will get a support of your father, your mother, or, like the other people support. Like if you are married, Geminis, your husband, your in-laws will support you and favor you. Also law and justice will favor you, like authorities at work, all will favor you. Like you are in the charge, you are in the position of power, you can call now what to do in a relationship. If you are waiting, you can move ahead. If they come towards you, you will get the chance to decide what to do now. I think this was denied to you in the past, Gemini, like this chance to choose to say yes or no, but that will come towards you and you will be very happy, very happy. Something will happen. I definitely see how the Hierophant. So again, there is this energy of things going slow, study, and relationships building their strength and their foundations. I also feel you and your partner are very strong, and this connection is very strong. I do not see a new partner. Maybe for some of you a new partner may come, Geminis, because you are super attractive this month. But you will have that choice. You will have that choice which one to choose, and it's gonna make you feel very excited. It's like, yay! Because you want that. People had been coming in and out of your life, Geminis, and you feel like you are played with. So you will get your justice. You will get, some of you could be deciding on getting married. So talks of marriage, commitment, all those things will also happen. Clarify the Hierophant angels. Can you clarify? This is 5 is again about positive changes. See, oh my God, the Wheel of Fortune. Things are absolutely moving forward for you, Geminis. Definitely a new karmic cycle or a new cycle will start in your relationship. What was missing out of your life, Geminis, it is coming towards you in the month of June. Let us see what else will happen for Geminis. This is beautiful. You are going to attract whatever you want. You have to be like this queen or the king of wands. People want you, they want to be with you. And that is the beautiful thing. You need to communicate. You will feel very powerful in June. For Geminis, what will happen for Geminis? Oh wow, joy and stability, number 4. So absolutely, friends, your love life is going to reach to a point of joy and stability. And I told you, you are working on stability this month in all your relationships. That's why there is a slow and steady progress. But you are also going to find happy news, joy, and celebration. Something will happen that will make your life happy and your mood happy. Maybe someone from past could come back, or someone new can come towards you. So flow, let things, let your heart, your feelings, share your heart, share your feelings. Someone will also share their feelings towards you. And the solar plexus. So absolutely your power. If someone has hurted you, Geminis, you are going to get your power back. I think people were not behaving honestly with you, or they were using your good nature in relationships. That's going to change, Geminis, and that's the most beautiful thing. You are going to be powerful. If you are single, you will attract the right person towards you for love. That's beautiful. Let's see for Geminis. Okay, observer, someone is watching you, friends. Someone is, I told you, you are attracting a lot of attention, Gemini. It's like you are the Leo, Aries, Sagittarius person. You are getting a lot of attention. People want to know you. They are watching you, stalking your social media, your pictures. They want to talk to you. Time for a nap. I think your connection with your twin flame or soulmate is also growing stronger. And I think your skin and all those things will become beautiful. So your skin may glow, you will look happier, your hair will glow. Number 24 is also important. I feel someone could be sending you messages through signs, dreams, regeneration, and a strong chance of a relationship coming back into your life or getting back on its track. So that is there. So one card for Geminis. Okay. Kangaroo. Unsettled times, need to plan ahead. So definitely, there is, things may seem confusing, things may seem like topsy turvy, but sunrise is here. New creative ideas, new venture, and a fresh start is coming for you, Geminis. And May is important. Something may have happened in the May, or in the past year, or maybe this year, or it will happen next year. So that's it for now, Geminis. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. These are short, quick versions, so you don't have to wait for long. And because I have a lot of workload, so I'm trying my best to give it to everybody. Please, friends, do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you do not subscribe Magic Vans Tarot now, then when? So yes, and join us on Instagram and Facebook. Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot, friends. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. So let me just shuffle for Libras very quickly before we start. Libras, how are you doing for June 2020? I hope you are doing well. All right, how the month will be, Libras, for you for June 2020? All right, the flowers are slipping today. For Libras for June 2020, how your love relationships will be. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. Oh my god, I dropped a card. The Nine of Pentacles, the World, the Four of Cups, and Angels, can you give me the cards I had dropped? Can you show me? I'm not going to pick them up because they are very far away. Oh my god, the Sun and the Judgment. Wow. And the card that dropped was Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Queen of Swords. So I dropped your energy only. I'll try and pick it up. The Ten of Cups. Let me just pick their cards. So the card I dropped was your own card, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Queen of Swords. Wow, you are feeling very, very powerful, Libra, very powerful. I see your focus is not at all on love this month. Is there a person coming towards Libras? I think you could be dealing with another Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yeah, see? Definitely, you could be dealing with a fellow Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries. For some of you, I feel you start the month, Libras, feeling like your focus is entirely on money, on yourself, on your success, on how life is, or what you love. You are focusing on self love. You do not want to focus on other things. Some of you could be, if you are married, could be planning for childbirth or moving in with a husband or a wife or a partner. That thing is also there. But some of you are definitely focusing on your money, your coin, your self love. I think but a shift will happen in your love life. You may be stepping out of your comfort zone this month, Libras, or you may have to step out of your comfort zone, like you shift your home, or you change your routine or your look, you lose some weight, you get fit, you fall in love with yourself, and that is going to cause a massive change in your life. I feel like you're gonna feel very positive, very happy, Libras, and I feel this is going to attract someone who is very loving, very caring, very giving relationship. I feel you already know this person, and this person could be like a friend to you, or you have dated on and off, or like you knew them or dated them in some past years but then lost touch. They could be coming back into your life. Maybe this person was in a different city or a country, but now you two will connect because of the world situation, and also because this is the perfect time for you both, because you both have reached an end of a situation. You have you have become strong on your own, Libras, and they have also done their own hard work. So this is beautiful. I definitely see, Libras, you will be attracting a lot of people. It could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini coming towards you, someone who is maturer than you, someone who is more wise. May not be of your age, but they could be your age, but they are more wise and experienced and more but they are very popular. I feel you and them both are very popular this month, and this person could be a new person coming in from your social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, or someone from your common friends or colleagues or work area. I feel you will still be missing someone from your past also. Like, there are people who want to know you, date you, Libras, but you still want the past person. I think that past person will contact you, or some sort of a clarity will come in that situation. If you are dealing with, if you are already married, Libras, some sort of a clarity is going to come regarding your marriage, your relationship, or why something didn't work out in the past. That clarity is going to come to you, and once that clarity or truth is known to you, or truths are spoken to you, you are going to feel this sense of relief, like, oh, thank God, now this is happening, now this is clear, now I understand why it happened. So a lot of relief is coming towards you, Libras. In your love life, someone could be offering you this 10 of cups of happiness, not just it will be like you going home or meeting your family also after a long time, or meeting your lover, your girlfriend, boyfriend, or husband or wife after a long time. So you feel like, finally, this was like so tough, so you, there's relief, there is happiness, there is like, oh my God, aha, I'm finally happy. I also feel you had been working very, very hard, Libras, and you will continue to do so in the month of June. So you need to stay careful, because I think you can, if you are really single, you may not want to focus on love. You will still be focusing on your career, yourself, and you could also still be waiting or trying to work on a relationship from your past which is not working for you, actually. Sorry to say, but it doesn't seem like it's working for you right now, so you need to step out of it for now. Maybe they will come back again later, or maybe in the month something will clear out, or some confusions will clear out, and then things will come back. But first you need to step out of that energy, Libras, for now, for that relationship. Step out of your comfort zone, people you know. Oh my God, see the card of moving on. Definitely it is time for you, Libras, to move on, actually, and leave the past behind, not carry any regrets, not think about it, and just keep moving, keep moving ahead. I think some of you are already doing that. Some of you are in twin flame connections which you thought should work, and it's time, but they are not ready for things to work. Control, number 8. I think you should let go. Something is controlling your mind or your ability to see things clearly, Libra. or someone is not seeing things clearly. Again, there are 288 cards. Look at this, 288 cards. And also you see 1 2 3 major arcanas are here. So friends, you may, something may not be clear about your love life to you right now, but in the month of May, that June, I think you are suffering from May last year. I think you are suffering since like 8 months regarding some situation. You, it keeps going back in cycles, circle circle circle. I'm seeing like you keep going again and again. Why this happened, why this happened, why this happened? And that person keeps coming in and out of your life, or you keep coming in and out of their life. I think clarity will come, friends. You can't see something right now, but it will. Maybe they are trying to control your mind. See, listen, something is going to clear. Something, some answers will come to you, Libras. You need to stay calm. You need to keep your eyes open. For Libras, one final message for Libras for their love life. Yes, you are becoming a leader. You are attracting a leader in your life. There are two leaders here. You are going to find someone who is just like you, Libras, or who is perfect for you. And I feel it is a new person, and you need to stay open to accept this person into your life. And you both are together a perfect match. See, peace is coming in your life, friends. Number 23 is important for you. Peace is coming for you, Libras. June is going to bring you peace and new, new blessings. There is the egg with the third eye. So new blessings, a new start in your relationships is coming. Let's see one final message for Libras. I think November is important. So the person, see, again I told you, you are focused on your career. You don't want to waste your time on people, on vultures. I think there are people at your work who are against you, or even in your love life who may not like your prosperity or something, but you are on the right path. Don't worry. February, I think someone born in February or something happened in February is coming towards you back. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. November is also important. So maybe, this person you worried about may contact you again in November, or maybe someone from November is coming towards you, born in November. Wine, seek out information that will help you. I think there are people who can help you out in this, give you clarity that you need. So you need to ask for people's help. In indecisiveness, allowing your life to ramble wheel, I think it is time to take charge of a situation. If something is not working out, it's time to move on, take control, take charge. And that's exactly what you are doing, Libras. And it's gonna bring you lots of peace and happy friendships and the most exciting relationship. That's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like, share, and let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you wanna buy your personal reading, visit our website and join us on Insta as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C. Singh. Bye.